Autostrada are delighted to offer this 2013 registered Mercedes-Benz Cls AMG Sport finish in Cavansite blue. This car has covered just 27,000 miles from new. Key features on this car include COMAND satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone preparation, DAB radio, CD player, aux input, leather centre armrest with storage compartment, parking sensors, power tailgate and 18-inch 5-spoke polished alloy wheels. This car will be supplied with 12 months MOT and Autostrada's approved 125 used car health check with a report supplied.